Today we are going to be making Michael and Mitchell's awesome s'mores. So
what's jelly beans in it or something?
It's not jelly beans, guys. It's M&Ms.
M&Ms.
So the ingredients are
M&Ms.
crackers.
M&Ms.
Yes, I'll say
Marshmallows.
M&Ms. Yes, marshmallows and M&Ms. So this is what you do. You get your graham crackers ready.
Yep.
You get marshmallows on your graham crackers, and then you
put it on top.
And then you put them in the microwave.
Oh no!
And then put it in the microwave until it puffs up, and then take it out.
Yep.
And see, as it puffs up, but don't touch it after that, or you'll burn your finger.
Yep.
Or whatever just touched it. So then you get some M&Ms.
Get some for me.
Yes, I know, Mitchell. I'll do it. And then
And do you know I have a sword?
you put some in the
I have a sword, you know.
marshmallow. You can press it in with your fingers.
And then put them in the microwave a little bit longer.
And then put them in the microwave a little bit longer.
Go.
And then you put the graham cracker on top of the marshmallow and M&Ms. And then you eat your yummy graham cracker.